Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing a get ready with me. I thought it'd be fun to film this and to answer some of you guys' questions that you sent me over on my Instagram. My Instagram is at miss_Tera. If you're not following me, you definitely should. I did my hair in these little pigtails. I think they look really cute. And I'm just ready to become an Instagram baddie because I look crusty, I look dusty. I am breaking out everywhere because I don't know why, maybe it's hormones or something, but I'm like breaking out like crazy. I went to my dermatologist, she recommended me retin A. It's basically just like vitamin A. So it's really strong and it can actually make your skin worse before it gets better. So I think that's what's happening to me. I've been on it for like 3 weeks and it's really like getting rid of my dark spots on my face and stuff. But it's also making my skin like really flaky, so I have to moisturize. And to moisturize, I use my CeraVe Daily Moisturizing Lotion. I swear by this stuff, it's great. And it does not clog my pores, it does not break me out or anything. It's just perfect for my skin. So I'm just gonna hop right into this tutorial. So I have these contacts. This is not sponsored, by the way. I have these contacts from TDDI. I have a few colors. I have like blues and browns and greens. I'm thinking maybe I'm gonna do like a brownish green or something. I don't know. So I'm gonna take out the contacts I have in now. I just wear clear contacts and my eyes are crazy because I have 2 different prescriptions in each eye. It's kind of annoying and I have to spend more money to buy the contacts because I have to like get 2 different prescriptions. So that sucks. But yeah, I'm just gonna do it quickly and show you guys what the contacts look like. So I'm gonna pop these in my eyes. And these are called Queen Brown from TDDI. Eye with the contacts, and this is eye without the contact. So you guys can see, it looks very natural. I'm bae. What you gotta say about it? Just wanna make sure my face is nice and moisturized before I put on my makeup because an Instagram baddie never has flaky skin. It's never crusty, it's never dry. There we go, my skin feels really glowy and soft. Oh, and I'm using the Born This Way concealer in the shade Golden Beige. And then I'm gonna be blending it in with my beauty sponge. I love this beauty sponge because it's sapphire and that's my sign because I'm a Virgo. Virgos, comment down below, let's all be friends. I don't really get along with Virgos though, so never mind. But yeah, September 21st, and apparently like, I guess September 22nd is like a Libra, so technically I'm a Virgo and a Libra or whatever, so. I'm gonna set it with my Mercier translucent powder. Live for this stuff. I have a bunch of other translucent powders, but I'm kind of scared to use them because Mercier has never let me down. The concealer didn't mess me up today, thank you, Lord. God has my back. So I'm gonna start with my bronzer from Too Faced. I'm just gonna be putting that in my, what is it? Eye socket or whatever, I don't know. And I'm using a Sigma E35 blending brush. So let's answer some questions you guys sent me on my Instagram while I'm doing this. Someone asked, what motivated you the most to start YouTube? Honestly, it was y'all. Y'all on my Instagram just keep asking me, when are you gonna post a YouTube video? When are you gonna post a YouTube video? When are you gonna post a YouTube video? And I think I was on one of Lisette's videos and I told you guys that I made a YouTube channel and to follow me and stuff, and you guys were really supportive and sweet, so thank you. I really appreciate all of you, and surprisingly I have almost 8,000 subscribers, which is insane. Insane. And I'm finally monetized, so I can actually like get paid for my videos, which is insane. Like, I can't believe that. And to me, it's not even about getting paid. It's just about, I post videos because I want to have fun. Like, this is fun for me to do this right now and film. Someone asked, am I single? Yes. Yes, sis, I'm single. I've been single for forever and I'm perfectly happy single and I'm not looking for a bae. If a bae happens to reach out to me, I am single, so you can go in my DMs or whatever. But yeah, I'm single and I am not gonna settle for less than what I deserve, period. So if you crusty and dusty and you get in my DMs, you're gonna be blocked. And that's that, I'm sorry. But looks aren't even the only thing that matters. Like, you gotta make me laugh. You gotta be funny. You gotta you gotta have a job. You know what I mean? You gotta be my personal photographer. You know what I mean? You gotta step it up. I'm serious. But yeah, I'm not really looking for anyone, and you know, sometimes I like go on dates or whatever, but I haven't done that in so long that I'm just like, I'm single, I gotta work on myself, I got a lot of problems I gotta work on. So why am I worried about a guy when I need to work on myself and worry about myself? So yeah, and these guys are trash out here, especially in Florida. These men are trash. I'm not even being rude, but I'm 24 and these men are 24 and they're acting like they're 12. They don't know what they want in life. I need a man who knows what he wants and fights for me. If a guy's not gonna fight for you, who is he? He's a scrub. So if you don't own Fenty Beauty, you can't be an Instagram baddie, period. And this is the Moroccan Spice palette. It's amazing. Color payoff is amazing. So I'm going to be using my Sigma Blending E35 brush. I'm going to be taking this shade, this purple shade, and blending it with this shade. So those shades are called Gouge It to Me and Evil Genie, I think. I don't know. I don't know, man. I don't know, man. That's some weird name. Gouge It to Me, S-O-U-Q. I gotta Google that. I'm curious now. I'm just blending and blending, make sure I got my color payoff that I'm looking for, my desired blend. Then I'm gonna take my blending E25 brush and make it a little darker. So I'm gonna take this dark brown shade right there. It is called Henna C. Henna or Henna C. It's just a dark brown. I'm just gonna put it in my V right here, just to like darken things up and make it more sexy. So I found a gold shade. I'm gonna use my Tarte Clay Play Volume 2 Eye and Cheek palette. And I'm going to mix these two right here. I don't know if you guys can see, but this one's like a gold and it's called Oinks. Oh, Oinks? Ox? Wow, I sound like I'm not. Ox, O-N-Y-X. And this one is called Smoke. I'm gonna mix these two together. This is more like a whiter shade and this is more of like a bronzy shade. So I think they'll make like the cutest lid color. I swear I graduated high school. So don't be coming for me in the comments down below saying I'm stupid. Oh, these colors are really pretty together and it's really pigmented. Ooh, it's so pretty. I think I'm gonna use my finger to just get more color payoff that I want. I was not flipping y'all off, I'm sorry. My finger. Ooh, wow. Okay, that is really nice, and it feels really soft and buttery when I'm putting my finger in it. Ooh. Taking my brush to blend it all together. Wow, this looks good. Ooh. Pigmented. Pigment come through, Tarte. Come through, Tarte Cosmetics. All right, now we're gonna remove the tape. And then use a makeup wipe to get rid of all the residue that was left behind. Using my Eye Lower Vegas Nade Grand Glamour Lashes. I got these from Target. They're really, really dramatic. Let me show you guys. I've used them before, so that's why they look crusty. I'm just using my Lights Camera Lashes Lights Camera Splashes Tarte Mascara. I think this is waterproof. Oh yeah, it is. Because it's usually called Lights Camera Lashes, but this is Lights Camera Splashes. Genius, Tarte, genius. I have like no eyelashes, guys, so that kind of sucks. I need to get eyelash extensions again. I got them one time and they look so good. I really should try them again. I really should. Okay, so I'm back. I just did my eyes. Okay, so I'm gonna try this MAC eyebrow styler in the shade Spiked. I haven't used this before, but we'll see if it's my same shade. Let me see it. There we go. I need my eyebrows done so bad because they are just out of control. Like, I need to grow them and then just get them waxed or something, because I cannot do my own eyebrows at all. It's hard. Okay, that's the best I can do with my eyebrows. I don't know if they look good. I really hope they do, but that's literally the best I can do. Okay, so I'm gonna be using my Too Faced Hangover Primer. This stuff is amazing, especially if you have really dry skin or like combo, but it stinks. It smells like Too Faced. Come on, step it up. It smells really bad. All right. My skin is nice and tacky. Now, you guys should already know what foundation I'm gonna be using because I'm trying to be an Instagram baddie. So that means I use my Fenty Beauty foundation in the shade 240. I love this foundation so much. And I've noticed it works better with a beauty blender, so I'm gonna start blending that out with my beauty sponge. So flawless. This stuff's, I love this foundation. And it does oxidize a little, so if it looks like that in the camera, it's gonna oxidize a little bit. And I'll put bronzer and contour. Instagram baddies' neck always matches to their faces. Always. My concealer, I'm gonna be mixing two together. I'm gonna be mixing the Born This Way concealers, one in the shade Natural Beige and one in the shade Golden Beige. The shade Natural Beige is more pinky, and the Golden Beige is more like olive toned. And then I'm going to take the Golden Beige, the one that's more olive toned, and put it on my nose. And put it on any pimples that I have. I need to get a concealer that's like my skin tone so that I don't have to use this one for that. Alright, and then we're just going to blend it in with the Beauty Blender. So I'm just going to use my mercier powder to bake, and then I'm going to put the rest on my face with a larger fluffy brush. I just bake under my eyes for a little bit, a few seconds, and my nose and my chin, and then I use the rest of the powder to go onto my face, the rest of my face and my neck. Okay, I'm going to contour my face now and my nose and my jawline. I'm going to be using my large fluffy brush to the same one that I used to bronze my face. Under my lip, it makes your lips look more plump when you do that. Okay, I know that nose contour is very harsh. I'm gonna blend it out. I'm using my contour shade underneath my eyes. Then I'm just gonna use some black eyeliner. I'm gonna be using my Makeup Forever eyeliner. This stuff's amazing. If you're looking for an eyeliner that doesn't come off your waterline, you need to buy this. And now we're gonna put some mascara on the bottom lash line. And then, oh yeah, I forgot blush and highlight. Guys, I didn't even know Sigma had freaking makeup. So they sent me some makeup in the mail, my first PR package ever. Thank you guys. Thank you, Sigma. And this is their Aurora powder, face powder. This is what the packaging looks like. And this is the back. I don't know if it's focusing, but it's their Aurora powder in the shade Cor de Rosa. It's nice pink shade. I'm guessing this is blush, so I'm gonna put it on as blush. So I'm gonna be using my Sigma Small Duo Fiber Brush F55. I've never used this blush before, but it looks pretty pigmented when I put it on the brush. Ooh. That is pigmented. This might be my new favorite blush, no cap. Oh wow. Ooh, okay. I see y'all, Sigma, stepping it up. I see that. Ooh. Okay, it's so harsh, I gotta blend it in a little bit. Wow. I'm gonna spray my face with some setting spray. This is the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea. Ah, that feels so good. So I'm gonna mix two highlighters together. I'm gonna mix my amrezy Anastasia highlighter And I'm going to mix my Fenty Beauty Mean Money and Hustler Baby highlighter. So first I'm going to start off with the Fenty Beauty one. So I'm going to go in with the shade here, which is Hustler Baby. Y'all see that glow though, I know y'all do. My nose. Ooh. Wow. So this is the finished look on my Instagram Baddie makeup tutorial. I think it came out great. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Bye guys.